What's up, my boosted people? So today we got another issue with the Durango. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of an engine knock. So we're gonna go to the dealership and go get that checked out. I also have 2 safety recalls, which is why I'm going to the dealership, because they're gonna take care of that for free. And I think I might still have a powertrain warranty that will cover the engine. So we'll see. I'll show you guys real quick. You probably can't hear it, it's real faint right now, but there's a little tick coming from the motor. Almost sounds like a diesel. So, I need to go get that checked out, make sure everything's A-okay. You know how it is. And I'm gonna be high. Alright, we're coming up on the dealership now. Luckily for me, the dealership's right down the street from my house. So, look at that, they got a little Charger out front right there. Oh, the Jeeps. This is a Dodge dealership, so I am a little bit early, so I might just walk around the parking lot and check things out. And just in case if you guys are wondering what the recalls were, I have them right here. So the first recall is to reprogram the Powertrain control module, and the second one is auto park functionality, which I have no idea what that is. I've never used auto park before. I don't even know if this thing has it or not. But let's go walk around the dealership a little bit, go check the cars out before we get the service done. A lot of new Jeeps. I kind of like the new Jeep Wrangler. I like the styling of it and everything. And if I ever got one, I'd definitely get the 4-door. We got some Chargers and Challengers over here. Kind of cool. I don't think I'd ever get one, but I can appreciate them. This one still has the bumper guard on it, and you see a lot of the Dodge guys keeping those on. Not really sure why, but I don't think they look very good. All right, I'm gonna go talk to the service guys and see what we got to do to get this going. Now they did say too, while I was getting the service done, that I will get a loaner car. So I don't know, we'll see what I get. Hopefully I can get something cool like one of the new Durango RTs or something like that. But you know, I doubt that's what I'll get. So, but we'll see. All right, need these, and let's go. If you say you got wings and some fish, then you probably fried. So I want you guys to take a wild guess what you think they gave me as a loaner vehicle. Here, I'll show you a little bit of it. Here, around here, here. Okay. Put in the comments below what you think they gave me as a loaner. All right, did you leave your guesses below? I hope you did. So, what do you think they gave me? Think they gave me a Dodge Durango RT, a Dodge Challenger, a Dodge Charger? No, not today. Today, I got some dad swag. They gave me a Dodge Caravan minivan. Definitely dad swagging today. So, this is my ride for the day. Let's do a little B-roll, why not?
Gravy. Hey, gravy train, nature boy, Ric Flair, pop shit. Think I'm Randy Savage when I hit you with that drop kick. Hop in, walk out, pipe up, clock out, new wrist, watch out, little bitch that's a knockout. Hop in, walk out, pipe up, clock out.
You know, for a minivan, it isn't that half bad. I mean, the visibility is amazing. Like, these huge windows. Not to mention all the passengers. You could have like all your friends in here. If you're going like to a concert or a party or something, you could like to make this a party bus. I don't know. The other thing that really struck me is the interior is actually pretty nice too. So you got like the fake wood grain, but the black and tan, I think that looks real nice. Alright, the dealer just called me and told me the Durango's all finished, so I'm gonna go pick it up, and they're gonna let me know, what the issues were, and I'll fill you guys in. So it's the last time we're gonna see this thing. Thank God. Alright, we're getting close to the dealership now. We're almost there. It's a little bit later than where I left you guys off. It's around 5 o'clock, and it's rush hour time, so I'm trying to get to the dealership in rush hour before they close. But we're almost there. Guys, you will not believe how lucky I got with having that warranty. I literally had 4,600 miles left on my warranty, and that's when what happened decided to happen. And I'll let you guys know what happened here in a minute, but I'm gonna get home and then I'll give you guys an update. Alright, I just got home, so you guys know what it's supposed to sound like. Let me open up the hood again and point the camera in here. So it's real dark, but you can hear, I got the camera right next to the motor, and you can hear the difference in the sound. No more of that loud knocking. Doesn't sound like a diesel motor anymore. So, really glad I went and got that done. So, what went wrong? Well, the noise that I heard was a tapping, and it sounds like it was tapping on just like a little metal tap from inside the engine. And I've heard that noise before on my some other vehicles that I've had where I had rod knock. And what that is there's rods that move up and down within the engine, and all that is controlled by the camshaft. I'm not going to go too deep into details on how a motor works. You can look that up, but basically the camshaft was bad, and it was causing the rocker to the arm to go up and down farther than it should, and that's why you hear that tapping, because it's tapping on the valve cover. So I took it to the dealer. I had a feeling that's what it was. Didn't know if I had a warranty, but it turns out I did have a powertrain warranty, so everything was covered for free. They replaced the camshaft, they replaced, let's see what else it says here on the thing here. So they replaced the camshaft, the rockers, and the lifters, and all on the right side of the engine. And all that cost me a nice big fat $0 because I still had that powertrain warranty. So super thankful I still had that. I asked the guy how much I had left on the warranty. He said I had about 4,600 miles left on it. So it was sad that it happened, but I'm glad it happened when it did, because if that happened after the warranty expired, it's a lot of money. Because I've gone through that before with other vehicles that I've owned. So really happy that that was taken care of. I got those recalls taken care of, and we're good to go for now. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay boosted.
Gravy Train, I love you. We all love you.
Hey.
Gravy Train.
Gravy train, gravy with your dame. You can't find your bitch, cause she on that gravy train. Bitches gravy train, gravy with your dame.